Welcome to distancelearningdoctoralprogram.com. This is a graduate student blog and forum site for those who are attending some distance learning graduate program or are interested in talking with others who are doing the same, gathering information about those kinds of programs. This site has a homepage with some indexes into the forums, the blogs, the photos, and the links. And if you join the site, this will be your control panel. There's an index into some of the latest blog posts. There's an index into recent forum discussions. There's an index into the newest photos. This photo is a random one from the selection of photos. Also, there's one more thing on the front page, and that is directory. You can list your own website here in this graduate student directory, and it doesn't have to relate to graduate schools, but it can. So let's look into the forums. Forums are by category. Right now the categories are accreditation, educational goals, experiences, on-campus residency, and there are forum posts and threads in each of those. If you want to post a new message into the forum, you can click on that post new message and you'll end up here to do that. The blog, this is where people post something more intensive than a forum post. It's a blog post is like an article, and the articles permit comments, so discussions can happen from articles as well. Photos. In our photos, there is content. People can vote on which photos they like best, and you can make comments and have threads with respect to photos. Links are links to your own site or to a particular school you want to link to from this site. And connections is more about you. When you go into your control panel and click on Set Interests, it takes you into a pop-up which permits you to identify specific interests that you have and even services that you offer. And then on the home page, the top interests and services will show up here. So that's a quick review of our site. The first thing you want to do is you want to register. And register is nothing more than your email address, the name that you want, and the location that you want to show up. They are both required, and they will show up like mine does in every post. So here is a forum post that I created, and my information shows up here, and other people who respond show up there. You want to reply or make a comment about an existing post in the forum. It's easy to do, and you can put in a link, one link relevant to your message. Now, one thing about this site is there are real human beings who actually review all of your posts. So it's a waste of time to put in spam because it's just never going to show up. And it's a waste of time to be totally self-serving in all of your posts. You want your posts to be about graduate school, especially distance learning graduate school for adult, mature students. Please come by. It's distancelearningdoctoralprogram.com. If you like what you see, join up and join the conversation.